In today's video, we're going to kick off a mystery box mini marathon where every day for the next few days, we're going to do a mystery box opening. And I'm doing this because I'm so far behind on these things that I thought this would be a great way to kind of get caught up and maybe give you, a few days worth of interesting videos. And we're going to start this one with the April Crate Club, I believe it is. And I shot this one a while back. It's been collecting dust on my computer, so we'll start with it. So this is the April 2022 Crate Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. I'm probably going to ditch that whole elevator speech in the near future. So anyway, as I said, I got a brand new Crate Club in the mail a couple of weeks ago. I'm running a little far behind. I had a trip to gun site and a trip to tactical response, so it might have been about a month ago. But either way, Crate Club is a quarterly subscription box that it comes in 3 different levels, and you get a new box every quarter. So let me give you a real quick rundown before we show you what's in the box about prices, because this box is just a really plain white box this time. No details, nothing on it at all. So Crate Club is, again, it's a quarterly box, and every quarter, you can get a new box. And the way it works is there's 3 different levels. There's the Lieutenant level, which is $49.99 plus shipping and handling per quarter, or $179.99 with free shipping if you buy it annually, pay for the annual amount. The Captain is $99.99 per quarter with plus shipping and handling, or $359.99 with free shipping if you pay for it annually. And finally, the General, which I believe this is a General box, is $399.99 plus shipping and handling if you buy it quarterly, or annually is $1399.99 plus free shipping. So, and it's generally got some pretty high dollar stuff in it. Now, let me get these notes here. I will say that I think Crate Club and Battle Box are owned by the same company now. Sometimes there's some overlap. We've talked about that before, but let's just see what is in this month's box, or this quarter's box. Oh, let me open this thing up. Okay, so this is, again, is the General, and it tells you what is in here. So let's take a look and see. And this one has got some pretty cool stuff in it, to be honest with you. First of all, I'm just gonna try to go over the in order. It has a list here, and it makes it easier for me to do this, so that's what I'm gonna do. So first of all, we have an OST carbon scraper, which is for 223, 556, or 300 blackout. And it's a tool that has a couple of other tools with it too. It has a castle nut wrench, as you can see right there. It cleans the inside of the bolt carrier. It cleans the extractor. It cleans the carbon from the firing pin, and it has a disassembly pick that allows you to help take that stuff apart. So that's pretty cool there. So really handy if you have an AR, and why wouldn't you? Next, I like this already because it's coffee. This is Black Rifle coffee, medium roast, just black. Man, you know I like this because I'm a confirmed coffeeholic, so that's pretty cool. Next we have a set of HME ratchet straps, and it's a 2-pack, and they are 1 inch wide by 8 foot long polyester straps, vinyl coated hooks, nice ratchets on them. Working load's 500 pounds, breaking strength is 1,500 pounds, and these are camo, so pretty cool. They won't scare the deer, so that's pretty neat there too. So all those things are nice, but what's next is I think is pretty cool. It is a bone dry shotgun and rifle case, and this can come in handy because I've got a few cases, but for longer guns, this is going to be long enough for a long gun. And the bone dry is basically, I'm assuming that means it's waterproof. Humidity and moisture can affect the performance of your gun. Cases are engineered with absorbent moisture removal material, so they actually have the moisture removal built in, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this thing. It's got a pocket here on the outside, just for a little pocket for ammo or whatever, magazine, maybe a small magazine. If you're a shotgun shooter, you probably don't have a magazine. You might, but open this thing up on the side. It's got a strap here to secure your firearm, and then it's nice and padded, so pretty nice case there. Actually a really nice case. So there's that. And let's see what else is next here. Okay, now we're getting into something even cooler. The Bushnell H2O 8x42 waterproof Poro Prism Binoculars. Let's see. It's the ultimate on-the-water viewing binocular, it says. Even in the most challenging conditions, our ever-popular H2O binoculars stay on board and in your hands with a soft texture grip, O-ring sealed and nitrogen purged. Stunning views are assured no matter how wet they get. Updated lightweight aluminum chassis allows for ease and comfort viewing in the field. And to maximize light transmission and clarity, fully multi-coated optics and premium quality BAK-4 prism glasses are included. So anyway, it's got a case here. I like binoculars. I think binoculars are something good to have in your vehicle just so you can check stuff out. A case, a shoulder strap, and a little cleaning kit. But the binoculars themselves, let's take a look at them. Oh yeah, these are rubber coated, very nice, heavy duty. Take the lens cap. I just want to see how well they are. Maybe I can show you. Let's see how they look. They got the wearing glasses is kind of a pain in the neck if you wear glasses with binoculars, but I'm gonna try to see if I can see what I can see with these things. Oh man, they're crystal clear, crystal clear. Wow. I better not look through them too long around the neighborhood. People think I'm a peeping Tom, but they really do work well. I don't know if I can get a camera shot through these, but we'll try just for kicks. Let me see if I can do that. You're not gonna be able to see that, are you? No, you're not. You're not gonna be able to see that. Okay. Well, that was plain silly. That didn't do any good, but I'll say they really work really well. And I like the fact that they're waterproof. That means you can take them out in the rain. If you're on a boat or whatever, they're gonna work fine for you. So that's pretty cool. Let's put them back. I'm gonna put them in the case here now because there's really no sense in putting them back in the that plastic doodad box because I won't use that. Put them in the case. Nice soft padded case, and there we go. There's that. Finally, well, there's something else in here though. Let's see what it is. Oh, there's two more things in here. Even cooler, let's see. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. So the next thing in here, oh yeah, you know I'm gonna like this one. It's an SOG Aegis AT Tonto. Let's see if I can get her out of there. Have a look at her. Oh, there she is. Oh, I gotta get this thing out of here and look at it. Oh yeah, I'm working on it, bear with me. I like SOG knives anyway. I think SOG's a cool company. And these are, let's see, assisted opening knife that features ambidextrous ATXR lock with ergonomic handling grip pattern for comfortable use. So let's see, it's got a lock here. Let's have a look at this. Oh, here's the it's sort of like a, let me show you this. It looks a little bit like an Axis lock, but it's really not, I don't think. Very similar, but it's got a safety here. So there's your safety. You close the safety, and I think it's, oh yeah, assisted opening, very assisted. So take the lock. So it has a safety, which is good to have, and then the safety you can't open it. Then if you push the safety forward, and just pop it open, man. Okay, very cool. A little bit of a sort of a modified Tonto blade. So yeah, I like this a lot, as you kind of probably knew I would. And then finally, one more thing, and we'll wrap this sucker up. This is also really good. This is a rope hearing enhancer, which says, protect your ears while at the range or the racetrack while simultaneously enhancing your situational awareness. So this is pretty cool. These are kind of, well, let's just use this new knife here and open these up. They seem like they're kind of like the noise canceling hearing protection. So let's see what they do. Yeah, so they're high they have a compression mode on them, so that allows you to cancel out gunfire and stuff like that while you're still able to hear. And they're pretty cool because they're just small, so they'll just fit right in your ears. And then you've got little controls here. So I'll probably do a review of these things and just take them to the range and see how they actually work. But they look pretty cool. They got a nice little case here, and they are rechargeable. Let's see if the case comes with it. They have different little earbuds to help you fit your ear properly, and a micro USB recharge cable there. So I think that's pretty cool. I like that concept, and I like the ability to have something unobtrusive in your ears, but you can still hear pretty well. So, because a lot of times the muffs that you wear, A, you don't want to, if you're like at a racetrack or something that's not shooting, but just something with loud noises, you probably don't want to wear muffs anyway. And B, this is something you can keep in your vehicle, keep with you. If you did get in a situation where you thought you might have to go tactical on somebody, you could stick these suckers in your ears and not deafen yourself if you had to, you know, use something that goes bang. So there's that. So pretty cool. What I try to do in these, a lot of these boxes is give you my heads up, kind of what I think are my favorite items. This one I'm really, really pleased with. Now it's about 400 bucks. So there's 400 bucks worth of stuff in here. I think there probably are, you know, I like the coffee, okay, that's great, but I have to say, honestly, I really like these waterproof binoculars. I think they're really, really cool. I like that a lot. I've been really getting into binoculars lately since I started just kind of thinking about it more. I like to keep preparing my truck or my vehicle in case I needed to check something out, either just for interest or for defensive use. And I really like these Walkers. Walkers is a highly respected brand in hearing protection, 30 decibel noise reduction rating, and just the fact that they're so very unobtrusive, and they're also Bluetooth, so you can use them for just the Bluetooth speakers as well. Pretty neat. So I like these a lot. And then finally, I like the SOG knife. Oh yeah, you knew I was gonna like that. It's just, I like it. So the other stuff, I like the case and all. The waterproof case is good, but these are my favorites. I got to pick something. I can't just pick everything, right? So anyway, I'm going to shut up now. That's everything that's in this month's Crate Club. If you're interested in checking out Crate Club further, I think there's a discount coupon in the video description. And I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. I hope this has been helpful. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.